Chapter 4, Technology Smart and Tech Savvy title. Technology Revolution Q. 1. What do you mean by technological revolution? AINS. A technological revolution is a period in which one or more technologies are rapidly superseded by another, innovative one. It is a period of fast technological advancement defined by new inventions, the quick application and spread of which often results in a significant shift in society. Q. 2. Why did innovation information remain scarce at the time of World War II? ANS. Many advancements emerged after WW2, but the information remained sparse and difficult to utilize and transfer. The reason for this was that information processing depended on atoms to record or transmit information in analog from rather than bits, binary digits of 1S, fro on, and 0S for off, to record or transmit information in digital form. Q3. How is the technology boon for students? ANS. Technology is a boon for students because it can help students to make lessons fun, interesting, and more effective. Using technology reduces the workload and helps students to understand the subject better. Essentially, it is also driving the way that teachers teach and students learn. Technology provides students with easy-to-access information, accelerated learning, and fun opportunities to practice what they learn. It enables students to explore new subjects and to deepen their understanding of difficult concepts. Q4. What are the benefits of e-commerce in today's world? ANS. Today's technological revolution provides individuals with a plethora of options, allowing them to obtain the items and services that best suit their requirements. Telework and telemarketing have enabled people to push their boundaries. E-commerce allows customers to purchase a wide range of items and services that were previously difficult to get in local retailers. Q5. How does the technology work in environmentally risky areas? ANS. Satellite photos, aerial photography, and on-the-ground inspections can be utilized to find people in risky or ecologically unstable areas, as well as to assess how to respond once a disaster occurs. Though technology cannot prevent pandemics from occurring, it may assist to limit their spread, educate, alert, and empower people on the ground to be aware of the situations and significantly minimize their impact. Q6. How had technology greatly supported doctors and medical practitioners? ANS. Today, doctors and nurses use handheld devices to record patients' real-time data and instantly update their medical history. This makes more accurate and more efficient diagnoses and treatments. Centralization of critical patient data and lab results has improved the quality of healthcare. With remote monitoring technology, patients can easily access and consult a doctor in the comfort or their homes. This saves a lot of time and money. The doctor can remotely monitor a particular issues. Technology has helped improve medical care by making it easier for doctor to provide evidence-based medicine. Q7. How does technology secure humans from calamities? AINS. Epidemics, pandemics, and other hazards have often endangered the human species. The breakcuts of these disasters imposed immense costs on our lives, economy, and communities as a whole. Technologies offer safe access to data, business applications, virtual meetings, and cloud conferencing in such a circumstance. Smart cities can be built and outfitted with various technologies such as sensors, processors, wearables, electronics, software, actuators, automobiles, cell phones, and computers. Remote sensing technologies might be used to monitor environmental changes and anticipate disease outbreaks. Satellite photos, aerial photography, and on-the-ground inspections will be utilized to find people in risky or ecologically unstable areas, as well as to assess how to respond once a disaster occurs. Though technology cannot prevent pandemics from occurring, it can assist prevent their spread. Q.8. Some people have opinion that the youngsters are not safe in the technological era. Give the reasons for the agreement or disagreement. ANS. Digital technologies have profoundly changed childhood and adolescence. The internet and the means to access it, such as tablets and smartphones, along with social media platforms and messaging apps, have become integral to the lives of youth around the world. Along with the substantial opportunities the digital age brings, comes a diverse range of risks and harms. Cyberbullying. This is when people use technology to embarrass, harass, or bully someone. Cyberbullying can include posting mean or untrue statements, making fake online profiles intended to embarrass people, sharing embarrassing photos, and more. Trolling. This is when people deliberately try to start arguments or to upset people on the internet, often causing considerable distress. Isolation. Too much time spent online and using technology is time not spent face-to-face with family and friends, which can create barriers and contribute to a sense of isolation. Inappropriate material. Teenagers posting inappropriate pictures or content online or sharing such material with friends may humiliate themselves or others. Inappropriate relationships. Strangers or others may try to form inappropriate relationship with young people. The effect of the content children encounter online should be a focus of future studies. Some websites and apps present a risk to the health of vulnerable youth, such as those that promote self-harm, suicide, or anorexia. Others support underage activities, such as gambling. Q9. Which technology innovation has impacted you profoundly and how? ANS. Smartphones technology and its innovation has impacted me profoundly. The majority of us have a smartphone and regularly use it to surf online. Not only can we send texts, emails, and make calls, we have access to a full menu of computer capabilities as well. In other words, anything we can do on a computer, we can perform on a smartphone. Plus, costs have come down so much that a standard device now is within reach of most consumers. We check into social media apps such as Facebook with alarming regularity. It would be unsurprising if the most obscure use for smartphones nowadays is the standard telephone call. Q10. How did technology contribute to keeping people's lives safe during the recent pandemic or disaster? ANS. Though technology cannot prevent pandemics from occurring, it may assist to limit their spread, educate, alert, and empower people on the ground to be aware of the situation and significantly minimize their impact.